Hi and welcome to this video. MX came out with a version 19 beta 3. So yeah, let's have a look at it. So here we are at the install screen. So let's start the live media. Okay. It's not completely starting in full screen, but yeah, let's handle that when it's installed. So let's run the installer. Okay, I have a simple disk, so no problem. Let's install it there. It's in a virtual environment, so this shouldn't be a problem. Installing grub, yes. My machine name, yes, it's fine. I am in Europe, Amsterdam. Okay, next. Let's create the user. Put in the password. Root password. Okay, looks fine. Next. And now it's just installing, so let's pause it until it's completely installed. Be right back. So okay, the installation has been done. So let's reboot into our new system. So they tweak the splash screen. To their MX Linux logo. Okay, we're booted. So let's log in. Okay, well, as typical for MX Linux, the menu bar, the panel, is on the left side. That's not something I would like to work with, but let's fix that in a couple of minutes. Let's first check the screen size. So let's set the display to a normal value. Apply. Okay, much better. Okay, so MX Linux. You know it's based on Debian. Now let's check that for a minute. Let's open a terminal. Uname -a. So it's based on Debian. We're running the kernel 4.19 out of the box. So yeah. What can we do here? We have the welcome screen here from MX Linux. Frequently asked questions, user manual, the wiki, the tools. So MX Tools, they have a lot of tools built in. So live USB maker, snapshot, the boot options and all that kind of things. Very nice tools. Quick system information, let's check that one. So it came out with system, MX kernel 4.8, 4.19, yes. Xfce 4.14.1, so that's the newest one. Debian Linux Team Buster, that's the base system. So it should be very stable system. CPU and graphics that don't matter. Sensors that don't matter. So yeah. Okay. Let's forget about the tools at this moment. Tweak the panel, because I don't like the panel at my left side, so I like it at the bottom. So apply that. It's very nice that they adjust the bar directly, so that the menu is on the left side and all the indicators are on the right side, so that's good. Let's make it a bit smaller so that we can see everything, but not that big at all. Okay, let's go to team. Choose a team set. Okay, and let's set it to dark. I always like a dark theme. Firefox dark theme tweak, so that's very good. Xchat, I don't use it, but let's apply it. Okay, much better. Compositor, that is fine. Config option, that's also fine. Single click on the desktop, no, I don't want single click. Single click in tuner, no, I don't want single click. Okay, apply. Forums, videos, contribute, so you can always contribute to a distribution. Popular apps. Yeah, okay. Okay, so let's see what's by default installed on the machine. Accessories. So the Finder, Archive Manager, bulk rename, Catfish for searching it, clip it, Conky Manager for handling your conkeys. Accessories. Conky Manager, Conky toggle, so you can switch between the things, the conkeys. Text editor, leaf pad, feather pad, sorry, calculator, backup, Midnight Command File Manager. I'm not sure if you're aware of this one. So you have two screens and you can copy and paste everything here. Very nice one if you know it. It's like the old Windows machine itself. Accessories. What else do we have in there? The updater, notes, password and keys, screenshot, task manager. Okay, we're running on 16% of my 4 gig, so okay. Development is nothing there. Games, there are a few games installed. Graphics, so GIMP is by default installed. Which version of GIMP is by default installed? Okay, about 2.10.12, so that's pretty new. It's good. Graphics, LibreOffice Draw, Nomex, Internet, Firefox is installed by default. Xchat, Thunderbird, yeah, multimedia, Clementine, VLC Media Player, 308, so that's the default one. I think I made it a bit too small. Multimedia, we had MX Tools, all the tools that they have installed. They have LibreOffice installed by default. Which version? 6.1. Currently we are at 6.3, so that's not a new one. Settings, about me, flash, a render, appearance, so you can adjust the appearance here as well. Then I also set to matcha, but you can also set it to arc dark, of course, arc darker. I think I'll set to this one, yeah. Your icons, so you can also adjust your icons. Fonts, Noto. Okay. Okay, nothing jumping out here. It's normal Xfce settings, lock screen, switch user, and this is everything to go out. At the bottoms, log out, clock. When you click on it, you get a calendar. This probably clip it. About, yeah, clip it. Your network. This is how you want to set yourself. No remote devices, that's correct. This is your update manager and your sound. So we seem to have some updates available. Let's upgrade it, put in the password. Yes, I want to do that. Okay. What kind of things do we have in the desktop settings? Okay, we've got some nice wallpapers though. This looks nice. Yeah, very nice. This one's also very nice, but then the conky gets a bit in the way. Very nice. Very lovely. Very beautiful. Funny. Yeah. But with the conky that we have, it's not that bad. It's not so good, sorry. We're in the Netherlands. With the nice windmills. Well, I think the first one was a very nice one, this one. Okay, do I like things on my desktop? Okay, menu. Okay, icons. Okay, you can create your icons on your screen, on your desktop. I don't want it. This is also very annoying to me, so move to trash. Upgrade is done. Is Hstop installed by default? I think that's my system. Okay. Well, for an Xfce system, 738 megabytes of memory is in use. I thought it would be lighter if I take my system locally and do Hstop. I have currently 46 because I have, of course, a screen recorder running. So yeah, it's a bit difficult to say, but normally I have 1 point. No, not even 1 point, and under a gig running. KDE Plasma. Sorry, I got distracted by something. My dog was doing something that he shouldn't do. So KDE Plasma with under a gig. So this is 738 with Xfce. It's a combination of Xfce and a couple of other things that they're running. And it's not as light as I would expect it. But okay. So MX Linux 19 looking very good. The file manager, very good. View. What file manager do they use? Tuner. Okay. Can do a lot of things in here. And here you can, of course, create new folders, create new documents. You can open your terminal here, open root tuner here. Yeah. Yeah, also you have a quick launch menu. So everything that you have in your menu is also in here. MX Tweak we have to look at, MX Tools. So you have the codec installer for your audio files. So okay, all the codecs are now installed. Snapshot we already boot options, menu editor, NVIDIA driver installer. If you have an NVIDIA card, date and time, network assistant, select sound. So if you have multiple sound systems, you can set it to multiple sound systems here. System sounds, tweak. Tweak is already what we had before. The welcome screen, system keyboard, system locale. Package installer. Most likely it will be Synaptic. MX packet installer. Oh, this is their own packet installer. Yeah. Just make it a bit bigger. So here you have all kind of things that you could use. So the groups. Let's say if you want to do email, there are two options: Clause, email, and Thunderbird. File managers, PCman FM. On the graphics side, we already had GIMP installed, but we can also do, let's say, Blender. So you select Blender, icon sets, kernels, media converter, Office, of course. You can use all the other offices that are in here. An Adobe Reader, if you really want to. GNU Cache, GNU Numeric. Yeah, if you have screencast, so probably OBS, yes, we record my desktop, simple screen recorder, screenshot utility, servers, themes. We also have a couple of themes in here, wallpapers, MX wallpapers from all the versions. So if I do install, this is to install the Blender. So yes, we want to install. It's still installing. Okay, so also they have Flatpaks built in. So it's now loading all the packages. So let's search for KDE Live. So here's KDE Live, FlatHub. So you can also do the Debian backport, so that's also good. So it's downloading all that information now. MX test repositories, stable. So yeah, this is a nice installer. Okay, the repo manager, you can select the repos that you want to use. Now it's currently set to the United States. I would go to the Netherlands, but it should be a bit quicker. Or select the fastest mirror for me. Should also be the Netherlands normally. Curious what it picked. Worldwide mirrors, okay. Okay. So they have a very nice tools installed here. I would be surprised if they don't have Synaptic. Yeah, Synaptic Package Manager is installed. If I would do software, what do they provide me with? They come up with Synaptic package installer by default. So that's good. Let me show you Synaptic. So here you have all the things that you can install. So if I would search here for KDE Live, KDE Live here is version 18.12. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, looking good. Seems like a very nice system. KDE is not my first choice for a desktop, but yeah, it looks very good. And the only thing what I find is that if you run HTOP, 750 megabytes of memory for an Xfce system, I think it's a bit high. But yeah, that's just me. All the rest, the look and feel is very beautiful. Like I said, Xfce feels a bit outdated to me, but yeah, it's all looking very good. It's working as it should. Yeah, let's keep it at this, and see you in the next one. So, bye for now, guys. Have fun with Linux.